In this video, we're going to talk about the latest news about the Mini 5 Pro and the leaked images of some packaging that confirmed the specifications and revealed a few surprises. The most shocking news was the postponement of the launch of the Mini 5 Pro, which was scheduled for August 7th, as indicated in some previous leaks, which also mentioned that we would see a promotional teaser a week before the launch. Time went by, and nothing happened. Until this week, when Jasper Ellens made this post, confirming that, unfortunately, the launch was postponed, and the new expected release date for the Mini 5 Pro will be in September. But in that same article, we also got some interesting revelations. A few leaked images of packaging tests from a printing facility surfaced, where it was possible to identify 7 features of this new drone. Some were already expected, but there were also some surprises. The first piece of information that caught my attention was this one, revealing that this drone will be ultralight and foldable. Up to this point, there's nothing new, but the most important detail lies in the absence of the usual complement to this information. Normally, DJI makes a point of highlighting the main selling point, that its drones in this category weigh less than 249 grams. However, in the leaked packaging, this detail does not appear explicitly, which leads us to conclude that the Mini 5 Pro's weight may vary depending on the configuration. This information didn't surprise me, since it's been a month since the label with this drone specifications leaked, leading us to conclude that it will have 2 types of batteries. The Plus model will be high capacity, possibly providing an approximate flight time of 50 minutes, but it will exceed the 249-gram weight limit. The other battery will be lighter, keeping the drone within the 249-gram limit, and it is probably this battery that will come as the standard in this combo, offering a flight time of 36 minutes, as described on this packaging. I made a very detailed video covering everything about this topic. If you'd like to watch it, click on the thumbnail I'll leave available at the end of this video. This strategy by DJI, of offering 2 battery models, aims to meet all types of customers, from those who just want a practical drone that stays within the lightweight category to avoid bureaucracy, to those who prefer longer flight time, even if it means more weight and a change in category. This practice is not new. It started with the Mini 3 standard and, due to its great success, was continued with the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro. Therefore, DJI has no reason to abandon this sales model for the Mini 5 Pro. In addition to the weight and battery life, we also had 3 more pieces of information related to the camera. The first one is not new. It only confirmed what we already expected, as previous leaks had already suggested that this drone would have a larger, more capable camera than the Mini 4 Pro. Therefore, as revealed in this leak, the Mini 5 Pro will indeed feature a modern 1-inch sensor, capable of recording in 4K at 120 frames per second, making it the first drone in the Mini category capable of capturing cinematic slow-motion scenes. This sensor should also greatly improve image capture in low-light environments, expanding the possibilities for creators to fully explore its potential in nighttime scenes. The other camera-related feature was a major surprise, and confirmed a possibility I mentioned in a video I made 2 months ago, that the Mini 5 Pro might be able to rotate its camera beyond 90 degrees. One feature that was very popular in the Mini 3 and Mini 4 was the ability to rotate the camera vertically, as it allowed the creation of content in social media formats. However, after the launch of the Mavic 4, this functionality reached new heights, as its camera has infinite rotation, delivering stunning 360-degree footage. This was a predictable trend, as even the small Osmo Pocket already has a gimbal that rotates 360 degrees, producing cinematic footage. Unfortunately, the Mini 5 Pro will not have 360-degree rotation capability, as it would require a complete redesign of the drone to accommodate an infinite rotation gimbal mechanism, essentially turning the Mini 5 into a compact version of the Mavic 4. Most likely, This will be the solution DJI will adopt for a future Mini 6. However, as described on the packaging, the Mini 5 Pro will be able to rotate 225 degrees, so we can conclude that DJI did what it could to give this camera as much rotational freedom as possible. This movement will be 2.5 times greater than the rotation of the Mini 4 Pro, because in addition to enabling vertical shots at 90 degrees, it will also allow fully inverted shots at 180 degrees. And it will rotate even a bit further, reaching 225 degrees. The next item was also an unexpected surprise. The Mini 5 Pro's camera will have a medium telephoto lens, with a 48mm focal length. This feature will provide about 2x optical zoom, which is ideal for framing objects in the scene, without having to physically get too close, all while maintaining full image quality. In addition, it should still keep the other camera features from the Mini 4 Pro, including a 24mm wide-angle lens and 3x digital zoom, but combined with the 1-inch sensor quality, which will make a big difference in low-light environments, like at sunset or during nighttime. The next item had already been revealed in the first leak. The Mini 5 will have a modern obstacle detection and avoidance system with a front LiDAR sensor, which greatly improves efficiency, especially in dark environments. This is a new trend that became even more evident after the launch of the Mavic 4, where it was announced that the new high-resolution fisheye-type sensors are 625% better, and their new positioning reduced blind spots by 66%. The sensors on the Mini 5 seem to be in the same position as those on the Mini 4, but they should be more modern and efficient, especially because the big difference will be in image processing, which is expected to have evolved a lot with the help of artificial intelligence, allowing for more precise identification of obstacles to avoid and targets to follow. And speaking of targets, the last item on this list is about that, but it's nothing new since it already existed in the other drones in the Mini line, the active track feature. It's used to follow runners, cyclists, and other moving targets. It was probably mentioned on this packaging, because it likely went through a major update, making this feature smarter and more precise, avoiding losing the frame when targets pass behind obstacles that partially block them. Another feature that has been widely discussed, and appeared in prototypes since the first leak, was the presence of stronger and ventilated motors. However, in this image, which was the first high-quality leak, we can clearly see that the motors are of the closed type. We don't know if the final version will be like this, but we can confirm that at least the propellers feature a quick-release system, which is much better than the Mini 4s, which are attached with screws. Despite the delay in the release date, the other information confirmed that the Mini 5 Pro will be the most powerful compact drone currently available. The medium telephoto lens and the camera that rotates 225 degrees make it even more impressive. Now all that's left is to hold back the excitement and wait for the next leak to find out the new release date. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.